So we're here at CES 2014, and who are you?
I'm Robbie from hipplay.
So what is hipplay?
So what we do is we aggregate and virtualize your personal content.
So what is that?
So basically here what you're looking at is photos that we've purposely scattered throughout multiple services and devices. If I can just show you here, what you do in our app is you go and add all your accounts and then just forget about the problem of remembering where everything is and having to go in separate apps to load them. Oh boy, now I'm having clicky issues. There we go. We just give it to you seamlessly.
It's nice. So that means it's all the cloud storage and all the home stuff too, if I have a 4 TB hard drive.
So if you can, hard to focus right now, but we've got a router back there.
So there's an Netgear.
And an Android TV.
Yeah.
So they've been enabled with our SDK, embedded software, and then we connected the account here, and then you can plug a USB drive into it, or 2 TB drive if you want, and then the data just follows you.
So you need, let's say, an Android device with USB host, and it would work.
An Android or iOS device to run our app.
To run it, and then to host the 2 TB or the 4 TB.
So that is a specific hipplay ready device that you will purchase, which has our embedded.
Any Android device
it can't, unfortunately. It runs our firmware, and they'll be coming out in 2014.
It wouldn't work with just USB host and Android. Is that possible?
No, because it needs to run our software to be able to have our API.
So do you do stuff in this is a whole bunch of thumbnails.
Yep.
Do you do some kind of like organization in there?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we do is you can sort them, and if you want to switch to music, let's say, then all of a sudden we've just taken music from all of your sources, and we're just displaying them to you. We can sort by album if you'd like, and then we just decide to give you a pretty interface. With hipplay, your media is the interface, so you don't have to deal with other useless information.
So there's a bunch of thumbnails. If you don't have thumbnails, does it pull them from the web?
As much as we can, yeah. So we use metadata for videos and music to be able to pull as much content as we can.
Like IMDb?
Absolutely. We use other services, but we do. And then for your photos, well, we crop them and create thumbnails for you, absolutely.
So is this free app?
It's a freemium model, so absolutely free, and then we have additional content. So we, a little special, we allow streaming and playing of AVIM, KV, FLV through our codecs. So you can purchase additional codecs. Not only can you play them, you can stream them, which no one else does.
Not only play them, stream them.
Yeah, absolutely. You can have a Google, an AVI on Google Drive, and then just stream it through our app.
Natively, like not encoding it on the device.
No transcoding from the other end, because you don't have control of Google Drive, so you can't tell it to transcode. We do the decoding locally.
So the little box hosted 4 TB, how much it cost?
I'm sorry?
If you want a box to connect 4 TB.
So
is that a Netgear?
They're not out yet, but basically usually these devices are the cost of a high-end router or an Android TV, $100 to $200 at most, and then the price of a 4